Welcome back everyone to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to cook you a steamed cabbage Jamaican style. If you've been watching this channel for the first time, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and take you through the process. So to cook the dish, you're going to need a bit of fresh thyme, onion, sweet pepper, cabbage. I'm going to use 2 carrots. Okay, I'm going to go ahead, start the process. So this is mama style. I'm giving you mama style today. Cabbage. I'm going to start off with the cabbage. So now we're going to jump on the carrot. Let me just change the knife. That one getting a little bit dull, so go for the Olympic one. So that's a carrot done. So we're gonna season this like we're doing meat. So I have a bit of black pepper here on it. Some all-purpose. Vegetable flavor. Garlic. And now get your hand in. Combine everything together. You know, the best meal is not the quick meal. It's the one that takes time. So look at that. That's ready for the pot. Well, here I have a pan on. I'm gonna dip a little bit of oil in it. I'm gonna use some olive oil just to start it off. You don't even have to wait till the pot hot. Just put it in. Look at that color. Look at that. This here is mama style. I'm gonna put some butter in. Give it some flavor. Then add some water. But you want this to steam. When it cooks down, you will see the difference and taste the difference. Let us see what it looks like. Look at that. You seen that? What's going to happen now, the cabbage is going to shrink. Now, we'll give him a bit of turn. Look at that. See that? Yeah. That's it there. The best meal is not fast meal. It has to be cooked and it takes time. So meanwhile, this is steaming. That's what it looked like, almost finished. Over here, I have some flour. So that's flour, bit of cornmeal. I'm gonna add some salt. Normally you eat this in Jamaica. You can eat it with yam, sweet potato, whatever you want, bit of rice. I'm just gonna have some boiled dumpling. I'm gonna make it very quickly. Here, hot water. Just gonna put a bit of sea salt in it. Little black pepper. This. Add some water in it. Bit more water. Now, dumpling dough is ready. You don't have to make them too big. Just make them the size you want. Yeah. Done. Done. The dumplings ready to go to the pot now. Dumplings. Both release. So the cabbage is ready. That's what it looked like. It doesn't get better than this. It's a perfect steamed cabbage. Okay, this is the moment of truth. As I see, the cabbage is here, ready, good to go. So I'm gonna put some, look at that. The dumpling is ready. That's a perfect Jamaican steamed cabbage and dumpling. Thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.